Would you like to return back to India and settle down there?
Yeah, I already planned to return back to India because I'm not here for permanent resident. I came here for the purpose of job.
If the current scenario changes in India, if they encourage more business and entrepreneurship culture, would you go back there to start a business?
I am working in the service sector, and as per our policy, we are more fetching more foreign funds. We are trying to get that foreign currency to our nation, right? So through that policy, outsourcing business came into the picture. So I'm part of that another team who is working at the on-site. But definitely, it's little bit improvement in some of the areas. Local businessmen can start their business at their own in the India.
Do you send money to India frequently? And do you think like any policy change, like the banks, their policy, like do you find it uncomfortable?
You need to change the accounts from your original account to the NRE, NRO accounts. That should not be there. And internet banking should be little bit simple, because if I have to change my password or get something, some services from here, it's very painful to call them and to be there on the phone in odd hours, and that part is little bit.
What about the remittances? Like the banks, they show different exchange rates. Are you comfortable with that?
That should be fixed, and that should be constant for every organization, because there is no meaning to have different rates. Some is offering 20 paisa more, and somebody is offering 20 paisa less. So that doesn't make any sense at all.
Like if this policy changes,
If government says that this is the fixed, a bare minimum exchange rate everyone should be giving, and this is the most secure way to send money to the India, people will try and go through that option only. Instead of going through other options, they will route through that option.
so like if the government changes policies, like would that make you remit more through these channels? And as you said, you have family back there. Like, do you think you could have cared for them more by staying there?
Yeah.
Thank you for your